In this lesson, you will be shown how to round numbers to a given degree of accuracy using significant figures. This is a very widely used method of rounding, as it always ensures that the sense of size is kept after the approximation. If you are studying for examinations, this method of rounding is used if no other method is requested. On the 22nd of September 2012, Southampton Football Club hosted 30,713 people at St Mary's Stadium, where the Saints achieved a 4-1 victory over Aston Villa. Rounding the result would not be appropriate, but you may find it useful to round the attendance figure. Identifying the first non-zero digit gives us the most significant digit. In this case, the 3, having a value by place of 30,000. The following figure is a 0, so we would say this value is 30,000 to one significant figure, or the nearest 10,000. If we wish to round to two significant figures, we would take the first two significant digits, 3, 0, then look at the third to decide whether to round up to 3, 1 or leave as 3, 0. In this case, a following 7 means we would round 3, 0 up to 3, 1. This gives 31,000 to two significant figures, or the nearest 1,000 in this case. We may continue rounding to three significant figures, using the first four significant digits, 3, 0, 7, and looking at the 1 to see if we would round up or keep the 3, 0, 7. In this case, we would obtain 3, 0, 7, 0, 0 to three significant figures. Note that in all cases here, the places remaining after rounding are filled with zeros, so that the size of the value is kept. Rounding 30,713 to just 3 would be nonsense. Let's consider a few more examples. Take the number 21,350. If we want to round this to three significant figures, we can identify the first significant figure as the 2, the second significant figure is the 1, and the third significant figure the 3. So we will be looking at 213 or 214. Following the 3 is a 5, which we would round up to a 4. So our answer will be 21,400. Let's consider the number 19,995. If we want to round this to three significant figures, again, the first three significant digits are 199. Following this is another 9, meaning that our 199 would round up to 200, giving us 20,000 to three significant figures. Rounding this to two significant figures would give us the same result, as the first two significant figures are 1, 9, and the third is also a 9. Therefore we would round this up to 20, giving 20,000 again. Finally, let's consider 275,499. If we want to round this to three significant figures, the first three significant digits are 275. The fourth is only a 4 and therefore would not be rounding up. Therefore, to three significant figures we have 275,000.